Hi everybody, I'm Mark.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're the yo-hos with the children.
The fuzzy ones. So you guys, today there's a few things that we wanted to finish up around the house. Mark's still working away on the ensuite. Because we're using our daughter's bathroom, I noticed there's a few things that didn't get quite finished when we renovated that about 5 years ago. So we'll go about our business whilst looking after these monsters all day. You don't get a whole lot done trying to run after kittens, let me tell you that for free. This is Common and Apollo. We adopted them a couple of weeks ago now, so if you guys want to check out that video, I will link it below. Such a cute video.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thanks for all the love on it.
And don't forget to check out Comet and Apollo 24 on Instagram.
Oh yeah, I'll put the handle too.
I've been at work today, and it seems like they might have missed me a bit.
They did. They kept coming onto this chair all day, like off and on, in between their rowels of craziness.
Mania.
Yeah. We'll get right to the video because time is very precious with these little things on his lap. They don't last long. When they nap, but when they're up, look out. So
nap hard and play hard.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you guys, let's get right into the video.
So the one thing that actually bugs me daily when I have a shower is when I see the grout. It needs to be replaced, but I really need to pick off the old stuff first, because you just can't put new stuff over old stuff. It's just not the right thing to do. If you guys haven't used this little tool at all, or if you don't have one, just hop on over to the dollar store. I know that they sell them there, or they used to anyways when I got my last one. Now this one I did get with Amazon, and to be honest, I don't find it any different than the one from the dollar store, other than it came with more blades. But like, this blade has been used a lot, and the other one that I had before, we used it in our little rental house that we had. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link that below, that little series. It was a good one, you guys. We did so much work on that little house. Anyways, I used this little tool for everything in that house. It was fantastic. It will not disappoint.
This is weirdly satisfying. I had the idea, it's just the execution wasn't the greatest. That looks so good.
Yeah, I hear you.
That's awesome. That will
keep them from climbing up the stairs on the outside of the stairs for nothing to grip onto and to fall and scare the heck out of us. Anyways, so this will be much better, hopefully.
Okay, you guys, getting anything done here is like getting stuff done with two rampant toddlers on the loose. I just had to close the door. The kittens were getting in here, of course. I don't know, it's very tedious, and I'm like right in there with the razor blade, being very careful not to like chip any of the grout. I guess that's what it is. So I'm just picking off all that I can here.
But once I got all the old silicone off, I just gave it a really good wipe, let it dry, of course, and then get to it with the new silicone caulking. Now this stuff is waterproof. The other stuff was too, I believe, but it was clear. I kind of wanted a thicker white, crisp line, and hopefully I get that. I'm going to be honest, normally I don't tape anything that I'm about to caulk, but let me just say, I don't know, it worked and it didn't, so the verdict's out. I don't know. I would rather have just made a line and let it be and just left it alone, because now after I taped it, I pulled off the tape and you could see like a weird little ledge from the tape being pulled off. Anyways, you guys, it made such a big difference, and it's so easy. You could just wipe it off if you make a mistake. It's not that big of a deal. It does have a pretty quick drying time, the waterproof one. I think it's like a 4-hour cure time, which is fine. I mean, you're not going to take 4 hours to put this stuff back on. Anyways, let's just move on. It looks great now that it's finished, and I need to get on to more little finishing touches in this bathroom. Okay, one more thing. I just got this little thing of paint, and I just want to touch up a few little spots that I noticed needed touching up.
Is it white? Oh, all right. I'm a mess already. Oh God. What? Let's see
how this goes. And like I say, I have to paint the side here. I had to patch it up a while ago, so I'm just going to paint it and touch it up, and it should be good to go. Oh yeah, baby. I should read this sign. I'm hoping that doesn't, whoa. I'm hoping that doesn't show and that it blends nicely once it's dry. Fingers crossed, because I do not want to do this entire bathroom. Okay, you guys, I am done, and it feels so much better in here. The lighting is horrible on camera. The caulk is all freshy fresh, and I actually had to paint this little section here too. But anyways, it's all good. I am very happy with that progress. I know it's just the little things, but I don't know, they just add up to so much more than little. And it's been bugging me ever since we started using this bathroom, so done. Check. I gotta go check on my kittens because they're very quiet and I'm a little worried they're wreaking havoc in our bedroom. Scared. Well, hello. Are you playing with all of the laundry? Oh God.
Oh, you're fierce today, aren't you? You are.
Oh.
I'm not even doing anything. Comet's just like, what are you doing? You're silly.
Oh God.
Oh, that's fierce.
What are you doing? You want up? Hey, one up. And the purrs begin. I just came to look at the bathroom. It looks so good, you guys. You guys have never seen this bathroom on our channel, so here it is. But it's a little messy because the three of us are using it at the moment. Okay, enough with this bathroom and this little monster on the floor. Let's go check out what Mark's up to on our ensuite.
All right, you guys, we are getting so close to putting up the drywall. This soundproofing, wanted to do this because there's so much noise coming from this bathroom into our daughter's bedroom. It's right on the other side of these walls, and the new plumbing, the increased size of the bathroom, it's gonna be a lot of noise going through there. So we put this soundproofing in so we could reduce all that extra noise for her. Lots of plumbing around this area where the shower is, so had to cut certain pieces to size, which is fine. The stuff is super easy to cut. You just got to remember to keep your mask on and stay protected and make sure you shower after, because your arms and clothing gets covered in this stuff. And a bandana is not a bad idea either, because who wants my hair to get messy? This area here is the wall behind us where we're going to be standing for the vanity. It's also inside the new pocket door facility room, for lack of a better term.
Oh, it's so dense in here with that open. Right. Oh my goodness.
And these suckers work finally.
That's awesome. Are you recording yourself?
I am!
Oh, I'm kitten sitting downstairs.
Don't sit on the kittens too long. I didn't want to replace all of the wallboard on this wall. That would have been a lot of extra work. So I just cut a strip down the middle, big enough to feed in the pieces up and down through the hole. It worked out perfectly. Just had to trim them a little bit and it trims very easily with a utility knife. You don't see me trimming it because I had an automated cameraman just sitting up in the ceiling, but take it from me, cutting this stuff up is easy peasy. Boy, was I glad to see you come up and join me when the cleanup started.
Why? Because I'm a good cleaner.
You're a great cleaner.
You know what? I actually like it, and it feels like I'm helping out a little bit.
It's fun to work together.
It is. Most of the time.
Whoa.
It's so quiet in here. That's so weird. They're crying for us.
Oh no! We're coming.
They don't know where we are. They can hear us, but they can't see us. Oh, our door's closed.
Oh yeah. Where are you? Where's your brother? What?
Oh!
Aw, they're so cute.
Little cuddle monsters.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You guys, thanks so much for watching today. It's kind of a mishmash of a video, but again, there's just a few things that we needed to get done and quickly, so they weren't in our way.
So true.
Yeah,
Because when it's cuddle time, you got to be ready for them.
you sure do. Absolutely. Have a good one, you guys.
Yeah, take care, everybody. See you next time.
Bye. Cat on my lap. Oh. Oh. Excuse me, sorry. I don't think so. Oh, he didn't care. That was so cute. God, you guys, they cuddle so much together. It's just, we can't. We can't. So cute. So cute.